Top questions to ask your dentist for straighter teeth. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your crooked or misaligned teeth? If you're considering invisible braces, there are important questions that you need to be asking your dentist before you start treatment. In this video, we'll cover the top questions that you need to ask and what you can expect from your dentist before straightening your teeth. First question, what are my options for invisible braces? When it comes to invisible braces, there are a bunch of different options, and it's super important to understand the differences between them. Your dentist should be able to explain the pros and cons of each one, and then they should be able to help you choose which one is best for you. Clear aligners are one of the most popular options for invisible braces. It's actually the fastest growing dental procedure in the entire world. They're also my favorite. Clear aligners are made from clear plastic, and they're custom designed to fit over your teeth. They're also removable, so you can take them out and keep your teeth clean throughout treatment, which also allows you to brush and floss. They're also virtually invisible, so they're a great option if you're concerned about the appearance of metal on your teeth. Lingual braces are another option that you can go with if you want these invisible braces. They're similar to traditional braces, but the brackets and wires are actually placed on the inside of your teeth, which make them less visible. Lingual braces are a great option for people who still want their teeth to not look like they have metal wires and brackets on the outside, but it'll help you if you have a little bit more of a complex orthodontic situation. Something that aligners can't do, but you get the power of the traditional braces. If that didn't make sense, your dentist should be able to explain the advantages of each one. Orthodontists are usually going to be the dentists who are doing these lingual braces, but there are a lot of general dentists out there who have undergone proper training to be able to offer aligners, so they can give you a little bit more information. Your dentist should also be able to explain the process for each of these treatments. Things like how long treatment will take, what types of adjustments need to be made, and how often you'll have to come in for checkups. So going back to that question of how long will treatment take is one of the most important questions that you can ask your dentist. And to give you a little insight, the duration of your treatment is going to be dependent on the severity of your case, meaning the more complex your case, the longer the treatment's going to take. The more simple and straightforward your case, the less time it's going to take. The thing with aligners also is it depends on how compliant you are as a patient. If you don't wear your aligners, the treatment will not work, so it will take longer. If you wear your aligners and you comply and your teeth move as planned, your treatment will be shorter. In general though, aligners have a much shorter treatment time frame than traditional braces. The treatment time for aligners can range from anywhere from a couple months to 2 years, depending on the complexity of the case, like I mentioned. Most cases, whenever you have to involve metal and brackets, those cases are going to always take probably around 1.5 to 2 years. Regardless, your dentist should be able to give you a clear timeline that you can expect to get your treatment done in. It may not be exact, but they should be able to give you a solid approximation. It's important to note that every case is different, so your dentist is going to have to evaluate your specific case to give you an exact time for treatment. They'll also be able to give you updates throughout your treatment. So if you're ever curious, just ask. Another very important question to ask is, how much will it cost? The cost of invisible braces can depend on a number of factors. Things like what type of braces did you choose? How complex is your case? And where you live. It's important to ask your dentist the cost of treatment up front before you proceed with treatment. Your dentist should also be very transparent about the cost. You can ask them, is this a one-time fee that covers everything, including checkups and things breaking? Or will you have to expect additional fees if things go sideways? Sideways meaning, let's say attachments fall off, or a tray breaks, or brackets pop off. Ask them what those costs look like. Different offices have different pricing structures for this. The dental office that you go to should also be able to explain if there's any payment plans or financing options available. Some dental offices offer in-house financing, while others may have you work with third-party lenders. Regardless, these help you cover the cost of treatment. It's always good to know your options. And whatever you go with, remember, this is an investment in your oral health. Your oral health is the first domino that plays into effect for the rest of your health. Don't forget that. So don't look at this like it's a cost. Figure out a comfortable monthly payment that works for you and pull the trigger. So now the actual price of aligners can cost anywhere from a few $1,000s to several $1,000s. We charge around $5,000 for cases at our office. Now, lingual braces may actually be a little bit more expensive than clear aligners just because of the nature of the procedure. They're a little bit more complex to put on, and sometimes they do break a little bit more often. Again, talk to your dentist or orthodontist for pricing. Ultimately, the price of this treatment should be weighed against the benefits, such as improved oral health, straighter teeth, and a more confident smile. When you align your teeth, you tend to have less dental problems. That's just how it works. Straight teeth are healthy teeth, plain and simple. Your dentist should work with you to find the best treatment option for you, and then you should proceed with that treatment. Another question that you can ask your dentist is, what can I expect during the treatment? It's very important to understand how the treatment process looks and what you need to do and how you need to prepare for it. Your dentist should be able to explain every single step in detail and what it looks like from start to finish. They should also go over how you can care for the aligners or the braces, right? Things like how to keep them clean, what food should you avoid eating, stuff like that. For example, if you're using braces, then you probably shouldn't have sticky, hard, crunchy food because the chances of breaking your brackets and wires go exponentially up. You also may need to wear like a special mouth guard if you play sports. Your dentist should also be able to explain what to do if there's an emergency that pops up or if you get any discomfort or pain. It's pretty common to experience some type of discomfort because, guys, we're moving teeth in your bones. Like, this is not always painless. So if you ever have some discomfort, you can take Tylenol. Try not to take ibuprofen or Advil. Any NSAID, not good. Tylenol though, solid. Oh yeah, if you take ibuprofen or an NSAID, that will actually slow down treatment. I'm not gonna get too scientific with it, just take my word for it. Another thing is that it's very important for you to attend all of your scheduled checkup appointments. This is how your dentist or orthodontist can actually monitor your treatment. This is gonna help ensure that your treatment stays on time, and that way you get the results that you want. Another thing is your dentist should explain how long that you're gonna have to be wearing these braces or aligners and what to expect afterwards. They should be recommending a retainer, that way you don't get relapse. Relapse is when your teeth shift back into their old position. You don't want that. So by understanding what to expect during the treatment process, you can be better prepared to take care of your braces or aligners and ensure that your treatment is successful. So asking the right questions is an important part to making an informed decision. If you're considering any type of invisible braces, be sure to ask your dentist these key questions and get the information that you need to make the best decision for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're a dentist and you're watching this and you want to learn how to start offering clear aligners in your practice, I created a free masterclass and you should definitely check it out. It's a great place to start with your clear aligner journey. I walk you through what you need to know and how you can start 3 more cases tomorrow with confidence. Check out the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. And don't forget to drill that like and subscribe button. Thank you.